Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Relive to Strava. While direct integration is no longer available, you can still easily transfer your activity data. We'll walk through the simple steps to get your rides, runs, and hikes from Strava into Relive, allowing you to create and share amazing three-dimensional video summaries of your adventures with friends and on social media. To begin, open your web browser and log into your Strava account. Once logged in, find the activity you want to bring into Relive. Look for the three dots icon, usually on the left side of the screen, and select the option to export the activity as a GPX file. This file will then download directly to your computer or mobile device. Next, open the Relive application on your smartphone. Tap the plus icon, typically found at the bottom of the screen, to add a new activity. From the options presented, choose to import an activity from a file. Then, select the GPX file you just downloaded from Strava. Relive will automatically detect your route and prepare it for video creation. Once your activity is imported, you can customize your Relive video by adding photos, notes, and even music. Relive will then generate a beautiful three-dimensional video summary of your journey. After a few minutes, your video will be ready to share with friends and family on various social media platforms, showcasing your outdoor adventures in a unique and engaging way.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.